Hello everyone, these are the materials that you will need. I use a 3.5mm crochet hook and you can use 4.0 and it depends on the size of your yarn. We will start with the head tail. We will form a magic ring, chain of 1 and 6 single crochet inside the ring. For the first tail, we will do a 4 times of 6 single crochet spiral, and for the second tail, we will do a 5 times. And once you're done making the tail, just insert the extra tail inside and cut and secure the yarn. Next, we will make the eyebrow. For the eyebrow, we will do a chain of 17 and then we will do a double crochet second chain from the hook, a 4 double crochet on the next stitches, and then 3 half double crochet, and then single crochet on the next, and single crochet on the next, 3 half double crochet on the next stitches, and 4 double crochet on the next stitches, and cut and hide the tails of the yarn. For the eyes, we will do a magic ring, chain of 1 and 6 single crochet inside the ring, and after that do a 12 single crochet, 2 single crochet each of the chain for 12 single crochet, and after that do a single crochet and 2 single crochet on the next for 18 single crochet. And for the dark eye, you just need to do a 6 single crochet and cut and hide the tail of the yarn. For the beak, you just need to do a magic ring, chain 1 and do a 4 single crochet inside the ring, and after that pull the tail of the yarn and do a 2 single crochet each of the chain for 8 single crochet, and after 8 single crochet do a first single crochet in the first chain and 2 single crochet in the second chain for 12 single crochet, and after that do a first and second single crochet and 2 single crochet in the third chain for 16 single crochet. And you just need to repeat twice for the first beak, and for the second beak you just need to do 3 times. For white under, you just need to do a magic ring, chain of 1 and 6 single crochet, and then 12 single crochet, and then 18, 24, 30 and 36, and you need to repeat twice and cut the yarn and hide the tail of the yarn inside the stitches. For the body pattern, click here for the tutorial because they have the same size of this red angry bird. And if you want to have a written pattern, you can follow me on my Instagram account.